There is a shortage of experienced IT talents in Brunei Darussalam, and this needs to be addressed to develop the IT industry. This is also our call for action to support the government's aim to reduce unemployment in Brunei Darussalam by enhancing the employability of graduates and putting in place talent development plans to address the required job needs for the IT industry. The Headstart program by Dynamik Technologies aims to develop industry-ready graduates who will be fully equipped to perform in the workplace. Headstart uses a degree apprenticeship model of delivery that combines academic course of study and work-based element of learning. Similar programs have been established by other international companies such as Dyson, Cisco, BP, and Nestle, working hand in hand with academic institutions. Dynamik Technologies plays a role as solution integrator to ensure the program remains relevant and to provide dynamic, industry-relevant skills and internationally recognized certifications. This collaboration between industry and academia will benefit many stakeholders to help materialize the aspirations of Industry 4.0 nationally and in the region. Through Headstart, undergraduates will undergo on-the-job training, relevant experience, and certification whilst concurrently studying for their degree. At the completion of their undergraduate studies, they will receive their degree from the university and possess Headstart industrial certification and experience. Headstarters will be expected to work a minimum of 2 days a week and assigned to projects in Dynamik and be a part of Dynamik's professional multidisciplinary team. Headstart offers various streams such as software development, data analytics, and infrastructure. Headstarters can choose which stream to develop, immerse, and apply themselves. These streams will be reviewed from time to time depending on the current needs of the industry. On-the-job training and certifications will allow Headstarters to build a strong foundation in technology platforms and change-enabling frameworks. Headstarters in the software development stream will be exposed to platforms such as Microsoft Software Development, SAP, and low-code. Headstarters in the data analytics stream will be exposed to tools such as Tableau and Microsoft Power BI. And Headstarters in the infrastructure stream will be exposed to specific areas such as network administration, systems administration, and database administration with their associated platforms in Cisco, VMware, or Oracle. All Headstarters will also undergo other industry-ready qualifications in change management, project management, and service management to enable an understanding of operating in IT projects and service delivery. Apart from receiving a degree from the university and possessing Headstart industrial certification and experience, Headstarters will be given a conditional offer to work with Dynamik Technologies for 4 years upon successful fulfillment of the terms and conditions. There are minimum entry requirements to qualify for Headstart. Talk to us today and join us on the Dynamik journey. Be industry ready with Headstart.